Hey, it's Mega Mel. I just had a wonderful day over in South Fork, Colorado with the Revolution Rail Company boys. They run a good show over there. You're going to get a great experience that you probably won't find very many places. It's going to be hard to find. But if you're around Colorado, drop by South Fork. It's the Pound Rev Rail Co. South Fork, Colorado, the train station for the Revolution Rail Company. A great day for a train ride. Pedal version. Smile, you're on YouTube.
This is the oldest Masonic park in the country. It was founded back in 1914.
Wow.
And a lot of these log cabins date back to the late 1800s.
That's amazing. That's Skylar, the guide. This was a lot of fun. Skylar provided a lot of historical information, and they have quite a few things to look at around the station, old-timey stuff. That's their card. Everyone had a fantastic time.